Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the VICTGOAL sports sunglasses, and so let's check out these and see how they look. It says comfortable to wear, so we'll see if they are. Ooh, that comes in a cool little case. A nice case, so it won't get squished or anything, with the little clip on it, so you can clip it onto whatever. And this is what it looks like. So it comes with a little cleaning cloth here. And it looks like a cleaning cloth bag. So, oh, well, this is the bag, and this is the cleaning cloth. So they both came together, and they both seem to be made of about the same material-ish. So they've got the little logo on it there. Very cool. Okay, and the glasses. So they come there. So these would be good. It'll keep all the stuff out of my eyes if I'm writing and stuff. So I guess they're not really sunglasses, they're just glasses. So sport glasses. Oh, it says sunglasses. I don't know if it's going to keep too much sun out. Maybe it does change color in the sun a little bit. It looks like it might be a little dark. But look at that. So like now when I go bike riding, I can have this and my eyes will be protected, and I won't be getting all the junk in my eyes like I get with all the dirt and everything from everybody who's in front of me, because I'm usually in the back. So that's what it looks like here. If you look through it, you can see, where's my camera? There. You see, it's a pretty clear image. It's hard for you guys to see. And it looks like it comes with this as well. I wonder what this is going to be for. I guess it's a replacement if you wanted a different shape or style or something, maybe. Not exactly sure what that's going to be for. No instructions. Not sure why it comes with an extra little loopy thing. I guess you can put it in there. Maybe it's just an extra level of protection somehow. I don't know. I won't use it, so I'll be using this. So I like it. So it looks good, seems good. You can see from the side it's got a little bit of side protection, and it kind of works its way down there. So nice sunglasses. Thumbs up for me.